How do we keep living at these ridiculous times?
I'm going back to work like this, hey? Okay, so Queen Elizabeth II, Provincial.
Deposit.
There you go.
$10?
Drive all the way down, buddy.
All the way down. Two things would impress me, Ryan.
Yeah.
Stevie Wonder driving a car,
Yep.
and you reversing this entire way out.
Okay, hold on.
Tight turns in here. It was a little difficult maneuvering that trailer back there. Large rocks in the road. It is pushing what you do with a regular car. A truck would be fine, but it would be considered a rough road in here. If you're not careful, you could get stuck. Nice fall paddle.
Oh, the air is so...
How's that backrest thing?
Good, man.
Yeah.
Get one.
Yeah, we'll check it out. It's worth looking at. It's a pretty big site. Yeah, kitchen. Food prep area. Great hall area. That area. A couple pieces of wood for us. A little bit of shelter here. It's not bad. You got trees. There's a sign in that tree of someone's name. There's a blue ribbon here. There's trails all over the place. I'm gonna eat you. Signs, everywhere, signs. A little overcast today. The sun never really came through for us. Whoa. I don't know what to say. I just had one on the number one lure of mine that catches all the fish. I'll try to get him back. Well, here's our evening out on Fish Hog Lake. Just around the dinner time right now. We're gonna head back to our site. Just been trolling and fishing around the lake, having a bit of success. Everyone's catching decent bass by trolling. That would be a keeper if you're into keeping them. So we'll head back for fire and steak dinner, and tomorrow is a nicer weather day, so we'll see how adventurous we get on checking out some different lakes. That's the plan.
So I got 6 steaks, and then these are just like a little aperitif.
Are these
Okay.
you buttered them?
Everything's butter. Yeah, so we'll just watch for the flare up and.
Anthony Bourdain would be in awe.
Yes, really. Yeah, this bear tastes really good. I'm glad Dave killed it and skinned it earlier.
First, I screwed it.
Just caught tonight. Ryan researching
Yes. I promise portages, I'll give them to you tomorrow.
Just to let you know, he was a little bit of a show off earlier.
Yeah, do that.
So, yeah, I was getting pissed off. I was catching so
It's true.
I didn't catch up, but
I wanted to stop catching fish, but I kept my lure in the water.
That's true. And so yeah, that's exactly what happened. Take a look.
Oh,
So was mine. Well.
Beautiful fruit. It's beautiful.
and happy reconciliation.
Yay!
Oh, yes. Where's the orange?
That's not bad considering the day we had. Well, I guess we'll have to take this weather. Sauce?
Vegetables, potatoes, and peppers.
To go with potatoes
So,
and eggs?
yeah, once these are cooked, then we'll drop them in, we'll heat them both up, and then we'll put the eggs in the sauce.
Coolio. Well, I thought I'd paddle out on this nice calm water. It's a very nice morning here today. This is going to be our nicest weather day, I think. We had cloudy yesterday. I'm expecting the same again tomorrow. And even a chance of rain. So we'll do a day trip today and show you some adventure. Follow the path of the paddle. Can you go swimming in the falls? Portage around the waterfall. Uh-oh, flotilla's coming. These guys are coming into a cabin, hunt cabin that they have.
Really cool.
Round Lake. Met those guys, told some stories. Yep, straight to the dock, I guess. Oh yeah, it's even better than last waterfall. Okay, brakes. Oh, it's only 55 meters. Damn. This is partway to Crooked Lake, last portage. Yeah, I like it. This is Dave's favorite kind of canoeing right here. I like it too.
Just I love this like kind of through the channel and rocks.
It's beautiful.
Kind of.
Oh, buddy described it perfectly.
Well, he
There's a
said
narrow
that on the
channel,
left.
there's beautiful rock.
Left on the yeah. You can see it.
Just like Beggar's Canyon back home.
So what?
Whoa, whoa, we got some action.
I'll bring my line in.
Yeah, bring your line in. This is a small guy. What are you guys talking about? Look at him.
I can't even.
Hey, I got lunch.
Woohoo! It's a sardine. Cold, eh? Feel how cold this water is. Wow. That song, these are the days I know, these are the days I know. Days are risky, I don't know him well. Should be a nice campground right in here. Up here? Oh, you can sleep listening to that.
You probably could find a flat spot. But...
Yeah, right on the rock.
Lunch spot. Look, Dave's already foraging for food.
Doc, I expect a nice fire with a glass of wine prepared.
Yeah.
On the rock. Right. Yeah. Who's this?
That's me, man.
That is Crooked Lake. We'll check that out after lunch.
Yours even going off, Brian?
Yeah, that's a decent size one. That's good. There's Jordan's lunch.
This is $1 million.
Yeah, to buy it, yeah. You can buy that and have it as your cottage and rent it out a couple times and bonus money. If there's no one there, we'll stop at the dock and check it out. There's no stone structure there. No, you can't use this angle. That's cool. There's a hammock. Your 9 o'clock. There's a campsite. Hammock up there and people up there. Yeah, it was that guy's grandfather who bought this place on Round Lake, and now it's been in his family ever since. But his grandfather, before he owned this, he used to go and stay at that lodge back there in the original stone building that was from the early 1900s. And on the way back, there's some kind of they ran into people and they were chopping their way through the ice because they were frozen in, the lake was frozen over, they're trying to get out from a fall hunting trip, and they agreed to sell him that cabin for $500, and they wrote it up in the back of an export cigarette package. And that's how his grandfather bought that cabin for $500, which is the same place they were going to today with all those guys to get it ready for the fall hunting season.
Very cool.
Yeah, it's pretty cool. Do you want to use the dock or no?
Yeah, sure. Oh, beauty.
Oh yeah. Yeah, you can definitely hear the cabin. Tough life out here.
Well, we gotta get it right.
Yeah, I know. I don't know, maybe. It's gonna be cold. Yeah, it's a little cool. Very cold. Very cold. Like ice. Sunset on Fish Hog Lake. Oh, you got your son with dinner jacket on?
Like this. There's no line about this. This is. Excuse me. I ordered the large. Thank you, sir. Ryan?
Could you always outdo yourself, please, David? I want, you know.
You get a little bit of boat traffic through here, you know. It's obviously a popular lake and easy to get to. Well, we'll take advantage of the no rain today and a bit of sun coming out, and we're going to explore this unmarked lake up a here's the navigable creek here leading off of Fish Hog Lake. This is the one campsite on this, I think, unnamed lake. And it looks official, and it's not on my map, so it's relatively recent. Addition, I would think. Down here. I know. There's no fish out there. The tools to get the job done. Yeah, the axes. I do like the folding saw, but these ones here.
That was the best one.
This is a good one here.
Yeah.
This is a silky saw. You can get them in different sizes. This is perfect though.
The really long one is really good. That's the best one.
After a high land.
I don't have to ask that. So are the Greeks in that time.
Yeah, sure.
Bite? Dude, oh my god, please, Ryan. One little bite, come on. Please.
Cut me a piece.
No.
Joseph,
you need
pass
a
me your
spoon?
plate,
Different
please.
chair.
But less than that.
So exactly the same.
Oh,
no
the cup that
problem.
fell on the ground. Good.
It needs to be the. Hold
No,
on,
no, no,
one
that's
more.
okay.
No, it needs to be a
I'll
certain
figure it
way.
Oh, some root vegetables.
Goddamn harvest feast, eh?
Mm.
Meat always faces the person. That's
Want
not
some
the
potatoes?
Ryan, you promised me that next time you let somebody go, you're gonna slide over the paperwork and you're making.
That's right.
What a ring. One of those rings. There you go. You should take a picture of that. I just want you to take a good look at that.
Well, it looks a lot different around here now. A lot of packing up. Things are all gone, been taken down. And we'll be out of here within an hour. Another weekend done. I guess we'll see you in the next adventure.
Thank you, bye.
Years of people. Yeah, too close. The first housing and head rate is still the same. I think it's this river is Cresto.
Oh yeah.
I didn't notice.
Monster truck, monster truck. Oh yeah, get out and push towards me.
We might have a problem.
We can all get out.
We got a problem.
We're gonna get out.
All the boys get out.
Alright. Oh, that's good. We made it.
Oh yeah.
I think it should be fine.
It's gonna be pretty good for the rest of the way.
Yeah, I think we're good. I think we're good. That was a steep one and loose gravel.
That was at least.
There's another one. Ah, that one's not too steep.
I think that was it.
Awesome.
Hey,
Yeah. Oh, you might have to.
everybody out of the van.
Yeah.